Clear Brow, North Dallas. 2026 Tesla Juniper. Just a full front on this. So the fenders, the hood, bumper, all the lenses, and the mirrors. The backs of the mirrors are done. So let's take a little walk around here and show how we wrap all these edges in here. So here's your A-pillar. Here is the edge wrapped in. Here's the hood wrapped in, the fender and the hood wrapped in, all the way down and around. No lines. Under here's wrapped in. Camera comes out. We wrap behind that perfectly. We wrap in here because the gaps are big enough. So that means we are able to clean them properly to get it to stick. We go underneath these lights, so there's no line out here. Everything's wrapped around here, all the way down in here. Bumper's fully wrapped all the way around and down. Nice and clean, nice and clear. No adhesive marks, no mishandling. So it gives it a nice clear finish. And again, much more the same here. All the corners are wrapped. We don't notch out to make a relief cut. Everything gets done properly. So there it is, much more the same here. Everything wrapped in around the camera. There's the overall. I did some splash guards on here from Tesla. They make a little one that goes like this, and it comes around here like little one, but here's the one I do. It's custom. So I start up here, and let's see if you can see it. Yeah, it runs like this, and it comes around here, and I wrap it into the door here, and I wrap it in here. You get hits all, like here's a hit. All the hits come through here from those front tires. So you want to wrap all this, and all the edges get wrapped in. The only edge out here is this. That's in lieu of doing the full door. It's a nice piece. So that's called a rock chip guard. So there it is, Clear Brow, North Dallas, clearbrownorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809, 2026 Tesla Y Juniper, full front XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.